Berlin Carnival 2023 was a movie. If you wasn't here, shame on you. Next year, 2024, make sure you're here. Berlin Carnival Explosion, big up yourself.
Look on the ground, shake it. All over town, shake it. See how the ground, shake it. Tell them it's sweet by the ground. Stand, follow the beat.
I'm feeling great. This is Carnival 2023, again on the road.
Tell everybody, start to shake the place. Jump about, shake up the whole place. Shake the ground, shake up the whole place.
It was so much fun. The weather was so nice. Everybody was so nice. The vibe was amazing. It was great, and we just hope that it continues. It's really emotional. Don't want to stop because it was awesome. Full of vibe. Great.
Well, I loved it, and I hope they continue in Berlin because I'm German, and it's nice having Carnival in Germany, not having to travel far, and vibes are always good. It's like a small family vibe.
Now we go, let me see it. Shake the ground, shake up the whole place. Jump about, start to shake the place. Shake the ground, shake up the whole place.
Like other people already said, this one was a movie. After 3 years, Carnival Explosion was back on the road in Berlin, and I feel like everybody was overly happy.
Oh, I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling lovely. Carnival Explosion, Berlin Carnival. This is where it's at.
I hope it's not the last time. I hope they will do another Berlin Carnival. I started playing Mass here in 2008, so really long time ago. And I hope it's not the last time.
I'm feeling fantastic. I had a great day.
Awesome. So much glitter and feathers. It was the perfect day. I had tears in my eyes because I was so happy.
So we had a really good last Berlin Carnival 2023.
Should Carnival Explosion come back?